then if you do your calculation well, you have 9 seconds. All right, that's how to go about that. Then last question I want to solve is here. So I want to solve the last question on how to calculate for radioactivity and the like. So let's solve this question. Then we'll call it a day. All right, for this video. Okay, the question goes thus. The question says that in 24 days, all right, that's a time taking, right? In 24 days, so time taking was given. That's question number 5 now, all right? 4 is the initial one, so this question 5. They said in 24 days, time taking is equal to 24. In 24 days, don't forget I said that the SI unit of half-life is the SI unit of the time taking. In 24 days, okay, a radioactive isotope decreases in mass from 64 gram to 2 gram. All right, 64 gram. So you have N1. These are the number of atoms. 64 gram. So it decayed. Of course, it will be reducing. I've said that already. That's it. If reduces, it's going to turn to negative. So N2 is from 64 to 2 grams. So this was before the disintegration happened. This was after it happens. So you have N1 to be 64 gram and you have N2 to be 2 gram. This is also called initial atoms, final atoms, initial count rate or final count rate. So if that is gotten, then what's the next thing? They said, full stop. What is the half-life of the radioactive material? What is the half-life of the radioactive material? So time taken was given. The two number of atoms or count rates are given. So I'm looking for the value of half-life. So I have T1/2 is equal to unknown. So how am I going to calculate for that? I can calculate for that using, of course, I can use my R is equal to N1/N2, all right, to find the value of my disintegrating ratio so that I'll have the value of R. So I can actually pick this formula. There's a formula I wrote in this place for half-life, all right, T/log2R. So you can apply that formula you need to calculate for your half-life. So if that is the case, I can write T1/2 is equal to T/log2R. This formula can actually connect all those values together. So you have T1/2 is equal to, what's your time taking? Your time taking is given to be 24 in the question. So you have 24 over log base 2. Your R, all right, you can go and find the value of R using R is equal to N1/N2. What is N1? N1 is 64. Then what is N2? N2 is given to be 2. So you have R is equal to 64 divided by 2 will give you 32. All right. So you have log base 2 R here. So we can write that equation up. So we have log T1/2 is equal to 24 over log base 2R. So I can write it here. T1/2 is equal to 24 over log base 2R. All right. And my R, we can now say where R is 32 already. So you have T1/2 is equal to 24 over log base 2, then 32. So if that's the case now, what is log base 2 32? So let me go and solve the logarithm here. So log base 2 32 is going to be log base 2 32. If you want to resolve that logarithm, all right, now this is a logarithm to a base and a number. So the first thing to do is to equate it to an unknown value or unknown variable. So you have log base 2 32. So let's say it's equivalent to x. All right, your base is supposed to be raised to power the equivalent sign. All right, and it's equivalent to the number. So you have 2 raised to power the equivalence, which is 2 raised to power x, then it's equal to the number. So you have 2 raised to power x, all right, is equal to the number. So you have 2 raised to power x, whichever base that is here will be raised to whatever is outside, then it's equal to the number. The number of logarithm is 32. So 2 raised to power x is equal to n. If it's 3 that is here, it will be 3 raised to power x. If it's 4 that is here, it will be 4 raised to power x. Then it's equivalent to whichever number that is there. So 2 pi x is equal to n, and our n in the context is 32. So we have 2 pi x. Let's express 32 in terms of a base and exponent. 32 will be 2 raised to power 5. So 2 go with 2. So 2 raised to power x is equal to 2 raised to power 5. This go with this. Then x is equal to 5. So if x is equal to 5, all right, I'm going to be saying log base 32 now. Log base 2 32 now is equivalent to 5 anyway I see it. So I'm now going to be having T1/2 is equal to 24. What is log base 2 32? Is it gave me the value of 5. That is 24 divided by 5. Then T1/2 is equal to, what is 24 divided by 5? 24 by 5 will give me 4.8. All right, 4.8. What is the value of the SI unit of the time taking was in what? In days. That means my half-life will also be in what? In days. All right. So half-life of that element is T1/2 is equal to 4.8 days. All right, so that's how to go about your radioactivity and the likes. Okay, so you can solve more questions on that. All right, get across to me. All right, via my WhatsApp number and ask any question you have. I'm going to attend to it, or maybe you're solving the question and the question seems to be confusing. You can just reach out to me on WhatsApp. All right, and if you have not clicked the subscribe button, do well to click it. All right, subscribe and please click on the all notification so that anytime we upload the video you get a notification on your phones. All right, so you can reach out to me via that WhatsApp number wherever you're watching from for questions and I'll attend to them. So 090745648 and 47. Thanks for watching and God bless you.